Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let's introduce myself. My name is Muhammad SBP, NPM 2441201A from class Accounting 24A. Today I will explain to you about income tax or PPH. What is income tax? Income tax or PPH is a tax imposed on any additional economic capability received or obtained by taxpayers, whether from Indonesia or outside Indonesia, which can be used for consumption or to increase wealth. PPH is regulated under Law Number 7 of 1900 of 83 and its amendments, with the latest changes under the Harmonization of Tax Regulation Law or UU HPP 2021. Taxpayers subject to income tax includes first individual, two entities or limited companies, GV, firms, state-owned enterprises, foundation or GC. Three permanent establishment of PA or BUT. And four undivided inheritance as a single entity and replacing the rightful heirs. The tax is imposed on various types of income, such as salaries, business, profit, royalties, rent, dividend, price, interest, and etc. Subject and object of income tax. Tax subject in Indonesia are categorized into first, domestic taxpayer is individual residing in Indonesia for more than 100 of 83 days in 12 months or those domiciled in Indonesia, and tax on worldwide income or income from both domestic and foreign source. 2. Foreign taxpayer. Individual or entities that do not reside or are not domiciled in Indonesia but earn income from Indonesia. So, and tax only on income sourced from Indonesia. 3. Permanent establishment or BUT. Foreign entities operating through a fixed place of business in Indonesia and taxed similarly to domestic taxpayers. Tax objects. Taxable income includes first compensation from employment, such as salaries, wages, benefit, to business and professional income, 3. Prize and awards, 4. Royalties, rental income, 5. Interest dividends, 6. Capital gains. Income not subject to tax includes first, insurance buyouts, 2. Inheritance, 3. Donation and grant under certain conditions, 4. Religious and charity funds such as zakat, and 5. Certain scholarships. Types of income tax. First, PPH Article 21 is tax on income from employment, service, or activities received by employers or professionals, and withheld money by employers. 2. PPH Article 22 is tax collected by certain agencies on activities such as import, purchase by government, or sales of luxury goods. 3. PPH Article 23 is tax on capital and service-related income such as dividends, rent, and royalties, and rate general 2% or 50% deducted at source. 4. PPH Article 24 is foreign tax credits for domestic taxpayer earning income abroad. 5. PPR Article 25 is monthly tax installment for business taxpayer and reduces the burden at year-end tax reporting. 6. PPH Article 26 is tax for foreign taxpayer on income derived from Indonesia. In general, 20% of gross income are based on tax treaty. 7. Penal income tax. Article 4, paragraph 2 is applied to specific income objects such as small business or UMKM, rental income from land or building, deposit interest, sale of land and property. Penal tax is no recalculation in annual tax return. Income tax rates. Table income breaks or PKP up to 60 million Indonesian rupiah. The rate is 5%. KDR 16 million Indonesian rupiah to 250 million. The rate is 15%. 250 million Indonesian rupiah to 500 million. The rate is 25%. 500 million Indonesian rupiah to 5 billion. The rate is 30%, and over 5 billion Indonesian rupiah, the rate is 35%. Income tax calculation mechanism. Step for computing PPH Article 21 individual. First, determine gross income, salary plus allowance. 2. Deduce allowed expenses is net income. 3. Deduce PTKP in taxable income or PKP for apply progressive tax rates. Tax payable. 5. Subtract tax credit X monthly withholding. And 6. Final expected result is underpayment or overpayment or zero balance. Methods of tax collection. Income tax in Indonesia is collected through first withholding system is deducted by employers or third parties. 2. Self-assessment system is taxpayer calculates, pays, and reports. And 3. Official assessment system is tax authority imposes tax or rare case. Annual tax reporting. Tax budgeted individual due date March 31 of the following years. Incorporate due date in April 30 of the following years. Report can be submitted electronically via PJP online e-filing. Approved application. Penalties for not filing: 100,000 Indonesian rupiah fine for individual, 1 million Indonesian rupiah fine for corporates. Additional administrative sanction may apply. Roles and importance of income tax. Income tax support is: first, government revenue for development and public service. 2. Wealth redistribution through progressive taxation. 3. Economic policy instrument. is incentives for business and investment for greater compliance culture via self-assessment. Challenge, challenge in income tax implementation. 1. Low tax compliance rate among informal sector. 2. Tax avoidance and transfer pricing issues. 3. Lack of tax literacy among the public. And 4. Frequent regulation updates requiring ongoing adaptation. Conclusion: income tax or PPh is a major component of Indonesian taxation system, imposed on the economic benefit acquired by both individuals and entities, with various tax articles like PPh 21, 23, 25, 26, and final income tax as applies different mechanisms depending on the source and nature of income. Indonesia's self-assessment taxation system requires taxpayers to independently calculate, pay, and report their tax. Therefore, understanding income tax rules is essential to ensure compliance and contribute to national development. That's my presentation. If there are any mistakes in pronunciation or accent, please forgive me. That's all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.